so in the last video, I showed you how to create the forms of various forms that Flodesk has. We created a pop-up form. Now I'm going to show you how to embed. Don't worry if you've closed out of that screen because you can always get to your code. So if you go and hover over any of your forms and you were to click on these little dots, it gives you a bunch of options, and one of them is to embed. And that's that same code. You see that this is explaining to you that this is considered a header code, and all you need to do is paste this code into the head tag of your website. I know you're like, what is that? I'm going to show you the easiest way to do that in WordPress. So just click copy. It copies everything that's in here to your clipboard. You log into your WP admin part of your website with WordPress. And I'm going to show you the easiest way to do this. I make sure that I have this plugin. I'm just going to show you what it's called real quick. It's called Header and Footer Scripts. It's the easiest thing to use with WordPress, so that no matter what, your pixel from Facebook or some special code for a font that you have, what have you, whatever you need, it'll automatically give you a space to put that in. So now I have the header and footer scripts, and if you don't know how to install your plugins, just go and add new and type in header and footer. Okay, so because I did that, now I know, okay, I have that option. I have a post that I made that I want to have something popping up. So I'm going to go and grab the correct form. So let's see. I want people to get this branding checklist. Okay, and this is a pop-up. Perfect. So this is just what we just created. I'm going to embed that on my website. So I got my code here. This is my special code, and it just needs to go in the header. So now I'm going to click on edit. And now when it gets to the post page, because I added that plugin, if I were to scroll down, here's a section that says insert script to the head. And that's what I want. So I'm going to put that script there, and I'm going to click on update. So now I can view this post. And now I don't remember what the timetable is that I had for someone visiting my site to receive it. So let me see if I had to like scroll. Maybe it's 5 seconds or 10 seconds. So let's see. Hang out on this page for a few seconds and see when it's going to pop up. Let me go in an incognito window. It probably knows that I'm already subscribed. By the way, I subscribe to all of my lists. It's like, girl, you've already received this. But a stranger hasn't received it. So right when you get on here, it should pop up any second. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did I do 10 seconds? There we go. And there you have it. There's the pop-up. It works the same way. I am going to put a different email address so that it gives it to me. But as you can see, the setting that doesn't allow it to keep showing it to someone who's already subscribed actually works, because I am definitely subscribed. And woohoo, I got my thank you. So we're all set, and that was really easy to do. Next, I'm going to show you how to do it in Elementor. I have another site that I have access to that has Elementor. So I'm going to come in here. Give me 1 second, I'll log right in. Okay, I'm back. So if you have Elementor, so that first website, I had Divi in WordPress, but it works the same no matter what you have. So, and my client actually has, this is her old website, and she also had a header and footer script plugin as well. Having a header and footer script is plugin is the easiest thing you can do for these type of situations, because you're going to have a lot of things that are going to randomly ask you for this. So for her, hers is called Pixel Your Site Header and Footer Script. This is the head section for any device type. I'm just going to, I'm going to grab my code again here. Boom. I'm going to paste this code in here, and I'm going to update that page. Don't laugh at the page. I just made one real quick for you guys to do a test. And now, I want to make sure that it doesn't know me, because I've been on this website. So I'm going to see. I might have to do an incognito window. Let's see. Okay, looks like I'm going to have to. Oh, no, I didn't have to. Okay, because this is a new website. So again, same thing. It doesn't matter whose website you're on, if you're using Divi, if you're using Elementor, it doesn't matter. What matters is that you put the code in the head spot and then you're all set, okay? It's very, very easy. And any changes that you make in your form, so if I were to go in my form right now and change this from this title to something else, it would update automatically. You don't have to do anything else to the code, so don't worry about that. All right, on to the next thing.